Hey space enthusiasts, buckle up because we're about to embark on a cosmic treasure hunt that's out of this world, literally. Today we're diving into the mysterious search for Planet 9, the elusive giant lurking in the far reaches of our solar system. Now I know what you're thinking. Wait, didn't we already have this conversation about Pluto? Well, grab your space popcorn because this is a whole new celestial ballgame. Picture this. It's 2015 and two astronomers from Caltech are staring at their computer screens, probably fueled by way too much coffee. Suddenly they notice something weird. A bunch of objects beyond Neptune are acting like they're being bossed around by some invisible cosmic bully. These scientists, let's call them the dynamic duo, propose a wild idea. There's a massive planet out there pulling strings like a planetary puppet master. Fast forward to today and the hunt for Planet 9 has become astronomy's version of finding a needle in a haystack. If the haystack was the size of, well, the outer solar system. But hold on to your telescopes, folks, because we've got some breaking news. A team of planetary scientists has just dropped some mind-blowing evidence that's making the astronomy world buzz louder than a satellite on espresso. They've been playing cosmic detective, analysing the movements of some seriously distant objects that are crossing Neptune's orbit and acting all kinds of funky. Now these aren't your average space rocks. We're talking about trans-Neptunian objects, or TNOs for short. Think of them as the rebellious teenagers of our solar system. They live far from home and don't always follow the rules. The scientists fired up their supercomputers and ran simulations that would make your gaming rig cry. They factored in Neptune's gravitational pull and something called the galactic tide, which is basically the Milky Way's way of flexing its muscles on our solar system. And guess what? The most likely explanation for these TNOs' bizarre behavior is, drumroll please, a large, distant planet. That's right, Planet 9 is back in the spotlight and it's ready for its close-up. But wait, there's more. This isn't just any planet we're talking about. Planet 9 is thought to be a real chunky boy, about 10 times the mass of Earth. It's like Earth hit the gym, got really into protein shakes, and decided to hide out in the cosmic suburbs. Now you might be wondering, if this planet is so big, why haven't we seen it yet? Well, my space-savvy friends, it's not that simple. Planet 9 is playing an epic game of hide-and-seek, potentially lurking 400 to 800 times farther from the Sun than Earth. At that distance, even a planet as buff as Planet 9 would appear dimmer than a firefly in a spotlight. But don't lose hope. The astronomy world is gearing up for the ultimate planet hunting party. Enter the Vera Rubin Observatory, set to begin its sky survey in 2025. This bad boy of telescopes will scan the entire southern sky every 4 days with a camera so powerful it could probably spot an alien having a picnic on Mars. The team behind the Planet 9 theory is practically bouncing off the walls with excitement. They say there's a very high probability that if Planet 9 is out there, the Vera Rubin Observatory should be able to find it within a year or two. It's like the universe's most epic game of Where's Waldo, and we're all invited to play. Now let's talk about what finding Planet 9 would mean. It wouldn't just be another dot in our solar system family portrait. Oh no, this discovery would be like finding out you have a long-lost sibling who's been traveling the world and has some wild stories to tell. Finding Planet 9 would revolutionize our understanding of how our solar system formed and evolved. It would be like rewriting the history books, except those books are about planets and they're written in the language of gravity and orbital dynamics. It's a big deal, folks. But here's where it gets really interesting. The hunt for Planet 9 isn't just about finding one planet. It's opening up a whole new way of thinking about our cosmic neighborhood. Some scientists are even suggesting that what we're seeing might not be a planet at all, but a primordial black hole. Yeah, you heard that right. A black hole hanging out in our solar system like it's no big deal. It's like finding out your quiet neighbor is actually a secret agent. Mind-blowing and slightly terrifying at the same time. Now, before you start panic building a black hole shelter in your backyard, remember that this is just one of many theories. The point is, the search for Planet 9 is pushing us to think outside the box, or in this case, outside the solar system. But let's get back to our main suspect, Planet 9. The evidence is piling up faster than dirty laundry in a teenager's room. We've got clustered orbits, we've got weird tilts, we've got objects doing cosmic dance moves that make no sense unless there's a big gravitational DJ out there mixing things up. The latest research is so convincing that one of the lead scientists, Konstantin Batygin, is calling it the strongest statistical evidence yet for Planet 9. In science speak, that's like saying, we're pretty darn sure this thing exists, we just need to catch it in the act. So what's next in this cosmic detective story? Well, astronomers around the world are pointing their telescopes to the outer solar system, hoping to catch a glimpse of our elusive neighbor. It's like a global game of I Spy, but with billion-dollar equipment and the potential to rewrite science textbooks. And here's the really exciting part. You could be part of this discovery. With the data from the Vera Rubin Observatory set to be made public, citizen scientists might just be the ones to spot Planet 9. So dust off those astronomy skills, because you could go down in history as the person who found the newest member of our solar system family. As we wrap up our journey through the outer solar system, let's take a moment to appreciate the sheer awesomeness of what we're doing. We're pushing the boundaries of human knowledge, peering into the darkest corners of our cosmic backyard and potentially uncovering secrets that have been hiding for billions of years. The hunt for Planet 9 is more than just a search for a distant world. It's a testament to human curiosity, ingenuity, and our unquenchable thirst to understand our place in the universe. Whether we find a planet, a black hole, or something we've never even imagined, one thing's for sure, the journey is going to be one heck of a ride. So keep your eyes on the skies, your mind open to new possibilities, and who knows? The next time we chat, we might be celebrating the discovery of the century. Until then, keep wondering, keep exploring, and remember, in space, no one can hear you theorize about undiscovered planets.